Perfect! Woohoo! Here you go! Right at the end. Perfect! Woo! Nice shot! Another awesome day at the golf course. This is Zoom with the Galaxy S Note 10 Plus.
Oh, like last.
This is Dot Squeaky.
Dot Squeak.
He's got a dot on his forehead. He makes a lot of sounds. Woo! Nice shot, P. Real far. You off-drove me. Holy shit. What the hell far? You in the tree? Which way, robot? Yeah, try to fit it between the trees. Yeah. No, it's just through here, on the right. Right here. Can you see it? Can you fit it through? Just try for fun. Make sure you hit the ball only, yeah? Oh! Woohoo! That was really good. Oh, nice shot. Go. I go.
Okay, good. Release, okay.
I go. Another wonderful day with my daughter. I stopped. Another wonderful day with my daughter at Sharp Park Golf Course, our home course. Look at this nice swimming pool. We come out here and swim in the summer. All that flavonoids, alkaloids absorb into your body. It's great. It's one of the best.
Stop.
Look at her. She got her dog on there. Bowie's with us, helping her golf. Don't pull me. Look at this. Look at this. She. This is how she pushed the cart, like an old woman. Keep making fun of her, but she won't change. We barely played 2 holes. Why do you do that? You look like old woman.
You look like an old woman. You are an old woman.
Peony leaf from 100 yards out. It's a good little right. Oh, lands in the bunker. birds. All right, Choppy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Good shot. Little right. Oh, I think it's on the green. Woo-hoo! Good shot. Little right. Oh, I think it's on the green.